First of all, I explained you the use of a or an. Before that, I have told you that we use a or an when we speak. When we use a और an, हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम किसी एक ही पर्सन या एक ही प्लेस या एक ही एनिमल के बारे में या थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं, सिर्फ एक. ओके, ओनली वन. एंड हाउ वी यूज़ ए और एन. ओके, हाउ इज इट यूज्ड? सो एन को हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब कोई भी वर्ड अगर वॉवल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, लाइक ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू. देर आर 5 वॉवल्स. ओके, and the leftover letters are your consonants. So whenever a word is starting with a vowel, then before that word you will use an, and whenever a word is starting with a consonant, okay, so before that word you will use a. Okay, a, or we can also say a. Clear? Then I explained you that how we use the, where we use the. So when we talk about a particular person or about a particular place or about a particular thing, then only we use the. Okay, when like we say the gateway of India, the earth, the river Ganga, the Yamuna, the Indian Ocean, the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal. So all these words are particular words. एक ही पर्सन का या एक ही जगह का ये नाम है, उसके अलावा और नहीं. अर्थ 5-6 नहीं है, ओनली वन अर्थ इज देयर. सो वी विल यूज वन, द अर्थ. वी विल यूज द सन, द मून. ओके, सो आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड इट वेरी क्लियरली. नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, on page number 51 you can see exercises is written. So part A we are going to do today. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Now there are some sentences given, and in this exercise what you have to do, children, as you can see, okay, so there are 5 sentences in total. So what you have to do is you have to read these sentences very carefully, and where there is a blank you have to use a और an. अब a या an आप कब यूज़ करोगे? जब आप आगे वाले वर्ड को अच्छे से पढ़ोगे कि उस वर्ड का स्टार्टिंग कैसे है. कॉन्सोनेंट से है तो a यूज़ करोगे, वॉवल से है तो an यूज़ करोगे. क्लियर? सो आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर दिस एक्सरसाइज? आई होप यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड इट क्लियरली, बट वंस अगेन प्लीज़ वॉच इट वेरी केयरफुली, देन यू विल बी एक्सपर्ट इन दिस एक्सरसाइज. ओके, the only thing is that you have to understand the topic clearly and then watch the video very nicely, that how your teacher is explaining, and keep all the simple and important points in your mind. Okay, so the first sentence here is there is dash bag on the table. There is dash bag on the table. अब dash में हमें या तो a यूज़ करना है या an यूज़ करना है, तो हम dash के बाद वाला जो word है उसको हम देखेंगे कि क्या है. सो दिस वर्ड इज बैग, BAG, बैग. नाउ बैग इज स्टार्टिंग विथ B, विच इज अ वॉवल और अ कॉन्सोनेंट. येस, इट इज़ अ कॉन्सोनेंट. इट इज़ नॉट अ वॉवल बट इट इज़ अ कॉन्सोनेंट. सो कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? ए या फिर अ. ओके, देयर इज अ बैग ऑन द टेबल. सो हियर यू विल राइट A. Clear to you all? Now next sentence. We saw dash ostrich in the jungle. Now in this blank we have to use a or an. How we will know? When we will read the word here. This word after the dash, when we will read this word, it is ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. So ostrich is starting with O, which is a vowel. So when a word is starting with a vowel, we use an. So like this you will write. Now turn the page. Coming to the third part, I have dash book. Now after the dash the word is given book, BOOK, book. Now book is starting with letter B, which is a consonant. So when a word is starting with consonant, we use a or a. I have a book. Then the fourth sentence. Then children, coming to next sentence, which is fourth sentence. She is dash intelligent girl. Now the word intelligent we will see, because the dash is given before this word only. So intelligent word is starting with I, and I is a vowel. So with vowel we always use an, an. She is an intelligent girl. Clear to you all? Now coming to the last sentence. He is dash honest man. Now remember one thing, children. When the word honest is here, okay, there are two kinds of words. Two words, like first is honest, honest, and r, hourr. Okay, now in these two words, children, make sure that when we are pronouncing it, जब हम इन वर्ड्स को बोलते हैं, ऑनेस्ट, आर, एच हमारा साइलेंट होता है. ठीक है, एच हमारा साइलेंट है. लिखने में हमें एच लिखना है, बट बोलने में हमें ओ का साउंड आ रहा है, साइलेंट है एच. तो ओ क्या है? हमारा वोवल. तो अगर हमारा कोई भी वर्ड आएगा लाइक ऑनेस्ट या आर, ऐसा कोई भी वर्ड आएगा जिसमें फर्स्ट लेटर हमारा बोलने में साइलेंट है और साउंड उसका वॉवल का आ रहा है, तो हम उसके साथ में क्या यूज़ करेंगे? एन, क्योंकि वो बोलने में तो ओ का साउंड दे रहा है. ऑनेस्ट, वी डोंट प्रोनाउंस दिस वर्ड एज हॉनेस्ट और हार. वी डोंट प्रोनाउंस दीज वर्ड्स एज हॉनेस्ट एंड हार. ओके, we always pronounce it as honest. So you can see when you speak honest, you are making a sound of o. Okay, o, honest, r, o u r, r का साउंड आ रहा है. ओके, तो h हमारा साइलेंट है, तो जब o का साउंड आ रहा है तो o हमारा वॉवल है, तो इन वर्ड्स के साथ हम हमेशा एन लगाएंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? So same here in the fifth sentence, he is dash honest man. So when we read this word honest, we are getting a sound of o. So o is a vowel, so here we will write an, because with vowel we always use an. Is that clear? So all these 5 sentences are clear to you all, children. Once again you can just go through it. I am repeating. There is a bag on the table. Why we have used a here? Because bag is a word which is starting with B, which is a consonant. Second is, we saw an ostrich in the jungle. Now ostrich is a word which is starting with O, which is a vowel. Okay, so we have used an. Then next, I have a book. Now book is a word which is starting with B, and B is a consonant, and with every consonant we start every word starting with consonant we use a. She is an intelligent girl. Now intelligent is a word starting with I, which is a vowel, and with every vowel we use an. Okay, he is an honest man. Now honest is a word which is, in the spelling it is written H, but H is silent when we pronounce, when we speak, so it gives a sound of O. So O is a word which is a vowel, and the word starting with a vowel we always use an with it. Okay, so I hope that is all for today, children. I hope you all are clear with this topic very nicely. So please make sure, children, that you complete this book exercise by today itself. It is very easy. I want you all to first go through my part 1 video, in which I have explained you the chapter, and then only switch on to part 2 video, and then try to solve this exercise in your books by yourself only. Is that clear? So tomorrow we will do one another exercise and notebook work we will be doing. So till then, bye bye, take care, stay at home, and stay safe.